Fox News has a legal analyst named Judge Andrew Napolitano. He's been around, I think, from the beginning. I know him well. I'd say I was a friend of his. Napolitano does not like Donald Trump. They used to be pals. They used to be tight. But as what often happens in Trump world, a one-time friend becomes an enemy. Napolitano is now the president's enemy. Here's what he says about the president moving federal authorities into the insurrectionist zones. Go.
What happened in Portland over the weekend, David, was not only unlawful and unconstitutional, it was just plain wrong. Sending armed, untrained police into the streets wearing fatigues without the knowledge or consent of the local police actually caused more violence. All the people that they arrested, David, they didn't file one criminal complaint against anybody because they didn't have a basis to do so.
Okay. Now, I don't know about the federal charges. The judge might be right on that. Okay. I'm not sure because it's very hard to get information out of there. But when he says it's not only unlawful and unconstitutional, it's wrong, he's wrong. Here's what the Constitution says. All right. This is the Insurrection Act, Section 253. Quote, the president can invoke his act, this act, if insurrection, violence, or conspiracy are hindering the execution of federal or state laws or depriving citizens of their constitutional rights. The act can be invoked if state authorities are unable or fail or refuse to protect rights, privileges, and immunities named in the Constitution as secured by law, unquote. There it is. And that's exactly what's happening in Portland, Oregon, and it happened in Seattle. So the president can move federal forces in, and he moved Homeland Security agents and marshals in to protect federal property. And if it gets any worse, he'll move the guard in to stop it. And he can do it under the Constitution. Now, does Napolitano know that? Yeah, he knows it. And I cannot tell you why he's saying something that's so erroneous. I can't read the man's mind.
Bill O'Reilly is back on TV and only on The First. No Spin News, every weeknight at 8 p.m. Eastern, only on The First.